Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I'm your violin teacher. If you're new to my channel, well, here I have so many videos with the violin lessons, music theory, lessons, reviews for the strings, for the rosin and many things more. So the only thing what you have to do, subscribe, press that like and press the button, the bell. So like this you will get notification when a new video will be available for you, but usually every Wednesday I am uploading something new and interesting. The biggest question of all right now on internet, frets or no frets, or stickers or without the stickers. You know what I'm talking about. Those stickers on the fingerboard, violin fingerboard, which supposed to help you to find notes on the fingerboard of violin faster and maybe improve your intonation. I never used them in my life being a student. I never used them with my students. So what we will do today, we'll just put on the scales with frets or stickers or without. Let's begin. So with frets or with those stickers, it's much more easier to find the note that you're looking for on your fingerboard. So basically, you just have to look at your fingerboard, place the finger, and it's done. Without those stickers, you're training your fingers, your ear. When you're using the stickers, your ears, they are getting, how can I say it, lazy. Instead of focus and try to pre-hear the note, you just placing the finger where those marks showing you. And for the future, when you will be advanced violin player, it will be much more harder for you to hear overtones. Overtones are very important for a violin player. When you don't have those marks, you're training your ear. You'll know how that note supposed to sound like. And it won't be really matter for you anymore if you're playing the first position or second or third or sixth or seventh. You just know how this note have to sound. The only what changing for you is positioning of your left hand and finger. It might be first finger, second, third or fourth. When you don't have those stickers, your fingerboard will be clean. The only thing what you have to do is routine cleaning of your instrument. And when you do have those stickers, and this situation happened with my student. I had a new student and he already had those stickers on his violin, and for the first lessons I didn't want to traumatize him or scare him, so we played with those stickers like this. He was feeling more comfortable, but after maybe 2 or 3 lessons I asked him to remove those stickers, and when he tried to remove them, first of all it was very hard, and second of all, those stickers, they leave a sticky marks on his fingerboard. So for us it was very challenging to remove them. And don't forget, violin made of wood, so we have to be very careful when we're trying to remove something. And then there is one more thing. When you are sticking those stickers, frets on your violin, how do you know exactly where you're supposed to place them? So many students, I saw a lot of comments where students they're writing, I'm not very sure if I place them correctly, if I stick them correctly. Did anybody have any comments on it? So this is my question too. How do you know where you are supposed to place those stickers on your violin? You know why I'm asking you this question? Look at my violins. Acoustic violin and electro violin. Let's imagine that I'm a beginner violin player and I want to buy the frets, stickers, and place on my violins. What you can see first, do you see any difference? Can you? First of all, The fingerboard on my acoustic violin is longer than on my electro violin. Second of all, the fingerboard on my electro violin wider than on my acoustic violin. What this can possibly mean? Any ideas? Well, if you don't have any ideas, I'll tell you. Every violin is different, especially if that violin made by luthier. Of course, there is standards, but every violin a little bit different. That means the notes, the placement of the notes on every violin will be slightly different. I'm not saying that the difference will be in tone or semitone, no, but it will be slightly different. Let's imagine you have your own violin, you put the sticker on it and you play. You got used to those stickers, you kind of maybe learn where the notes are, and then you decided, you know what, I want to change this violin, I want to buy a new one, I want to buy a better one. You're buying a better one, new one, and now these days people, they prefer to buy online. You are trying this violin and you realizing that, wait, something wrong. The notes are not on the same place on my fingerboard that they should be actually. And it's not really big difference, but you still can feel that difference. So guys, violins, like human beings, are different. Some violins, they have wider fingerboard, neck of the violin. Some of them, they have a longer fingerboard. Some of them, they have shorter fingerboard. And when you are, instead of training your ears, instead of training your fingers, just following the stickers on your violin, you might have a huge surprise in the future. It's totally fine to put a small dot on the fingerboard just to know from where you should start. But this applies mostly for small kids up to 6 years old. Why? Because small kids, they don't have a concentration at all. They are all the time somewhere, and to drag their attention to positioning of the fingers on the fingerboard, you have to put something colorful on their violin. But these don't have to go out like as soon as it's possible. When we are talking about teenagers, adults who want to learn violin, the process of learning violin is about training. You have to train continuously your ears, your fingers, your arms, your eyes, and your memory. I understand totally that the frets and the stickers, much easier way to learn violin, to achieve certain things that you want. And it's easiest way, but it's not always the right way. By the way, instead of using stickers, use pictures. Like in my book, I have created a PDF book, 15 easy violin songs. In this book, you have 15 easy songs for beginner violin players, 15 piano plus metronome accompaniment, 15 free violin lessons, and 30 exercises. And every song have a small picture where I'm showing you the placement of the notes on the fingerboard. But of course, that picture is approximate positioning notes on the fingerboard. And when you're playing with the accompaniment and when you're training your ears, looking just at the picture and trying to find those notes on your violin, this can help you, and this will help you. This way I learned the violin. I'll leave for you a link down below in the description so you can check out my book. I hope you already decided you want to use stickers or you don't want to use stickers, but I really hope that you will be a little bit more patient with your intonation and your learning process of violin. Don't forget to practice, and see you next Wednesday. Bye!